Today's road rage started when this Karen in an SUV screamed at a homeless man. Yeah, she called him a loser, and the filming driver flips her off. And that was a pretty scummy thing that the Karen did, so I don't really blame the filming driver for getting a bit upset there. But the Karen takes things way too far. She literally cuts off the filming driver, comes to a complete stop at the red light, gets out of her car, and pulls out a fake gun with her hands.
No!
Hey, if you do something like this, you're only really putting yourself at risk.
Go yourself! Why you gotta be so rude to somebody? Go!
What an absolutely scummy person, that lady. And I feel bad for her son there. You can tell he's embarrassed to have her for a mom.
Really? I have you on camera!
You can tell he's had enough of her stupid antics, and this tells me that she does this kind of crap all the time. He probably has to deal with a lot of it himself. Now, I'm not sure if the filming driver reported her to the police or not, but she definitely doesn't deserve to drive, and you can hear everyone honking at her too.